Hello everyone, so today we're going to be learning about ratios. So let's go ahead and start off with our mystery mission or starter activity. So a candy maker released a holiday mix. Each tiny bag holds 24 candies, yet some bags look mostly green and others mostly red. How can every bag still follow the same hidden rule? What rule might the company be using? So let's go ahead and write it out. So they could be following, it could be like any rule basically. So they could be following a 3 to 8 ratio rule, and I will explain all of this in the upcoming slides. So they could be following a 2 to 6. So it says some mostly red, so maybe over here this was red. This was red. And then this was green, or vice versa. So that is that. So objective. You will write part to part and part to whole ratios and simplify them to lowest terms. So let's begin. So class has 12 girls and 18 boys. So it compare a part to whole ratio compares it to all students. So it's 12 to 18. And this sign, these two colons, represents 2. So 12 boys to 18 girls. So this is 12 boys to 30 girls for the boys part to whole ratio. Oh, I mean 30 total. Or 18 girls to 30 students total. So we did that. So Ella has 8 green marbles and 12 blue marbles. So here we'll write it on this sticky note, this light blue color. Alright, so she has 8, green is 8, and blue is equal to 12. So the ratio is 8 to 12. Oh, no. And then some ways we can write this is are 16 to 24, 32 to 48. If we want to do a part to hold, 8 to 20, 12 to 20, etc. So there's many different ratios you could use. So let's see, writing ratios, correct order. Order matters. A ratio of cats to dogs is different from dogs to cats. Write numbers in the order given, like 2 to 3. So you'll basically get the question wrong. So if it says 2 cats and 3 dogs, you can't write 3 to 2 if it asks cats to dogs. 2 forms. Part to part compares 2 groups, like red beads to blue beads. Part to whole compares 1 group to all beads, like red to turtle. So normal ratios that you might see usually could be part to whole or part to part. Then simplify ratio. Find the greatest common factor of both numbers. Divide each part by it. Write the new smaller numbers like 6 to 9 become 2 to 3. Okay, so we're just gonna write a little thing. We're gonna write this 9 to 24. That's 9 to 24. And then we're just gonna write a part to whole ratio 9 to 30. Whoa. 9 to 33, so that's a part to whole. So again, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.